Hello everyone, welcome back to the Gold Technical Analysis session with Mukmik. So, welcome back and happy Monday to you all. I hope you had a great weekend, a great week, and you're coming back and feeling refreshed, ready for trading with me. Okay, so today we are going to dig down to the weekly time frame because it's the new day and it's the new week as well. So here we go. This is the weekly time frame. If you remember that I told you on Friday we are having a risk from buying. Why is that? Because we are still stuck in this QM cell from the monthly and also the weekly time frame. And the 1900s, if you remember, it was a significant level at this supply zone. Okay, however, the price could break that resistance at 1900, and it is coming up really strong as well. So I will tell you what's the behavior that tell us that okay, the buying side is very powerful at the moment. Okay, the first one is that the candlestick, if you see the price action, is a full bold green candlestick. Okay, so that's like a very strong buy. And also if you notice this momentum, even in the weekly time frame, is now touched this overbought kind of region. On the last week on Friday, it is not that clear to tell the momentum in the weekly time frame. However, the daily time frame was still coming up in the on Friday that we have a look together. Okay, so in this daily time frame, what we can tell is that you can still going for a buy even though you are in the QM cell region. It is because the momentum and the price action tells us that okay, you could still the price could still go back up. All right, so let's see the daily time frame. So in the daily time frame, since this zone has been removed, we have our new demand zone here, demand zone. And what about the supply zone? I would say for the daily time frame was that one, which is pretty far away from our price at the moment, so we don't need to be worried about that. Okay, so nothing much in this daily time frame. So let's drop down to the 4 hours time frame. All right, so in the 4 hours time frame, we have this demand zone and the price is actually coming to this demand zone. So let me tell you, should you go for a buy here? I'd say no, even though there's the demand zone. However, the price action, if you notice at the moment, so once this video has been uploaded, the price might take the action already, but this is the case study for you guys if you're having this kind of situation. So we are having our demand zone, yes, and we have our imbalance in the bullish way, yes. However, the price action that is coming back down to test our demand zone, this is called a fast return. Okay, so if we have a fast return, this zone is very dangerous. Okay, so it is more of a chance that this demand zone would be removed. All right, because there's a very strong price rejection going on here and causing the price to do this fast return behavior. Okay, so you need to be careful on this demand zone. All right, so what about another zone that we are interested in this 4 hours time frame? I would say it is this zone at around 1900. Yeah, it used to be the resistance. So now if the price could persist it over that, it is going to turn itself into a support. So it is going to be our buying pan at 1900 to 1892. Okay, so this is the plans for the 4 hours time frame. what about the 1 hour time frame? So in the 1 hour time frame, I would say that okay, this one might not be interesting because that I said it is a fast return thing going on. However, in the 1 hour time frame, we do have this zone. So let me put this zone first. Alright, so this zone, the first demand zone that is quite strong and no other, cautious behavior going on is this one, which is from 1914 to 1910. Alright, we have the significant number as well at 1910. However, if the price coming back down to test this demand zone, can you hope that it will make a higher high? I would say maybe you need to take the profit even before that, because if the price coming back to test this demand zone, we will have our QM sell. Alright, and if we have our QM sell, the price might bounce, yes, but it will need to test this QM zone. Okay, so if the price bounce from this demand zone, please be sure that you take the profit around 1920. Okay, and that's done for today. I gave you a lot of tricks and tips and tricks in this video, so I hope you liked it and I hope you learned something new from this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and also please click the subscribe button for us. Thank you very much, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.